Oh no, he's got the whole helicopter. Wow, guys, it's great to see you again. I'm so glad you came back. We're gonna have an awesome show today. Today we have Jurassic World. This is the Ankylosaurus.
Welcome to WDToys. Have fun.
If you check out my playlist, I've done over 40 Jurassic World dinosaurs, so there's lots of fun there. Let's check this out. Wow, it has bashing attack. He looks really cool. Let's check out the back. This is Ankylosaurus, a ferocious fight for survival. Wow. Let's open this up. Okay guys, this Ankylosaurus is really cool. They did a really good job on it. For a cheaper figure, I mean, this has an excellent paint job and an excellent look to it. Let's take a closer look. Here all the spikes are the same color, which I really like. I mean, I really like the brown color they used here. And then they used like a tan color on the rest of the dinosaur with like brown spots. I mean, it looks really cool. And I mean, if you can see even the eyes there, I mean, they detailed the eyes, yellow eyes with like a black iris in them. Wow, they did a really cool job there. And then they did a good job with the wound too. This is not one of the ones that lights up or anything, but it does have a wound here, so you know, for like battles, like you could use your imagination. And then here you've got the head, which actually comes out of the body, similar to a turtle here. Did a really good job with the head and the coloring. I mean, I love the coloring. I mean, they didn't mix it into the rest of it. So I mean, they did a really good job of blending it. And then I mean, it even has teeth. For less expensive dinosaur, the detail is awesome. And then the other side, that's the one that has the screw holes. But I mean, it doesn't really take away from it because they're like really deep in. It's hard to actually see it. And the tail looks really cool. He's got a big club here on the end of his tail. So they did a really good job there. And then the action features, this back leg here, if you push it forward, he like pushes his head out. That's like, I guess that's supposed to be like the biting action. And then if you push it back, he swings his tail. So that is his main defense when he's attacked. What his spikes will stop the dinosaurs from killing him unless they could flip him. So with his back tail, this is like a really heavy club. I mean, he just bashes them with that back tail. Okay, what else? Like I said, I mean, for the price, this is a really cool looking dinosaur. They did a great job on it. Okay, we have an escaped Ankylosaurus. And the owners of Jurassic Park want their asset back. So they sent an ACU guy, an asset containment unit guy. Boy, look at him. He's looking for the tracks. Oh, we got something. We got something here. Oh, see the trails? Oh, we're coming up on something. Oh, look, it's a there he is. There he is. Quick, drop the claw on him. Grab him. Oh, they got him. Oh no, what are they gonna do with this poor guy? He's just trying to escape. He didn't like being in a cage all day. And now they're flying away with him. Guys, I'm having a hard time getting altitude and I heard something big down there in the jungle. I don't know what it is. Spin the blades faster! Oh no, he's got the whole helicopter! Ankylosaurus is free! He runs for it! Boy, that T-Rex was angry. They tried to capture the dinosaurs. He doesn't want them capturing his dinosaurs. Ah!
These dinosaurs are mine. Nobody takes the dinosaurs without my permission. I'm the king of the jungle, yeah! King of the jungle, king of the jungle.
subscribe button below for a lot more fun videos. Also, click the bell button to be notified every time I make a new video. Click the boxes below for a lot more fun videos, and if you want to see even more, go ahead and click the subscribe button.